Okay, so I started over again. I'm having problems with this particular one. They're really sticky, this batch. So I ended off mixing. I had some of this color. It's supposed to be like a red, but it's more like a fuchsia. And then the white. And then I had, what else did I have? But anyhow, I mixed it all together. So I got this color. So we're gonna try and work with that. So I'm gonna try and make a rose. Guys, I have not done this before. See, these were the little ones this size. And I rolled them out a little bit more. So now, what I'm doing, so that when you go to put it up, so I'm going to try this, loosen this up a little bit. I tightened it too much. Actually, I'll just do that. This is the last one, which works out perfect. So I decided to try and start it off small and work my way up. Okay, next size. So this size is the next size. So what I want to do, this one might be too, I don't know. I need something to put this in. So I don't want it to get flattened out. Okay. So like I said, I am not a professional at this. Right now I'm just playing. Okay, let's see here. Where am I? Okay, I took it off of there because I really don't care for it, but I want to see what it looks like when it dries, because this is way too thick. Way too thick. Figure if I just do that. Okay, now we're gonna put this in here. I gotta fix it. I squished them all together. Anyhow, So I'm gonna move these off. So I don't know, what do you think? Hold on. That's how they turned out. So now I gotta get that off of there. So let's just get this wiped off right here. Okay, so now I just want to kind of fix this a little bit. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking of doing, is put them on here, getting them glued on, and then they'll dry. Hopefully they'll dry. I'll put one there. Then I'll put one here. Okay. So we need to get some glue on here. Haven't found a brush that I can use for the glue though. Unless I have some over here. Oh, okay. Let's see. What do we have here? Let's see. Just gonna wet that. Where did my paper towel go to? I swear I lose everything. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we can get this to work. So I'm just trying to blend it in a little bit, just to get it to hopefully stick on there. Okay, now the next one, I need to put glue on here though. I didn't put it on there. The next one, I want to put it right here. Okay, let's put this guy. So again, we'll do the same thing. I'm just going to try and blend it in there, right? Now, for this design, the way I'm looking at it right from where I am, is this, you won't see the back part of this. So you want to make sure that if you want to curl to it, just kind of push it up a bit. There we go. So I'll put the other one right here. So we need to put glue on there. Okay. So I'm just gonna get him in place. Okay, now we can play with it. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. This is how I'm doing it. Okay. So now, just get that to go like that. That to go like that. And there we go. So now I can let this guy dry completely. I'm going to take a picture for you guys.